Hello all, we are from the team called E-Innovators. Myself Nityashri and our team leader is Vishal Ram. So basically how our team works is that we are divided into two. One is the business part and then the other is the technical part. And for this intern business video, I am representing my team. So coming to our innovation challenge, our area of interest is SaaS system in cars. A lot of accidents occur in India and followed by many deaths. And those deaths occur due to delayed help reaching that passenger or the driver. So that is our pressure point here. From there, our idea was developed. So basically our concept focuses on giving the driver or the person who is under attack a timely help in order to save their life. In case there's a crash, in case they need any help, any assistance, we are going to be there on time. That is our entire process. So as soon as I said product, the first thing that comes to our mind is the pricing. The strategy that we are using here is called cost plus pricing. So basically, it's taking the average of the components that we get for our innovation, adding a margin to it, and the final figure will be the actual value of the product. So in our case, the average is 6,000 rupees and the margin that we are adding is 3,000 rupees and the total figure is 9,000 rupees. To prove that our pricing is actually feasible, we sent out a survey to a bunch of people. 36 members did reply back, out of which 80% said that they would like it if the product is under 10,000, which is our exact pricing, exactly to the point 9,000. Moving on, the next thing that as a viewer or a customer would get is how different is your product from the product that are already existing in the market. I do understand there are products similar to our SaaS system which are available in the luxury brands. What they do is that they make the customers renew it every year at the cost of around 14,000 rupees. What we do is that say around 10,000 is our pricing that comes with a lifelong service. That is how we are different from the customers already in the market. And our unique selling point, to be more specific, our unique selling point is that we are offering a customized messaging service wherein the SMS can be sent to the driver's emergency contact. What the luxury brands does is that they are having a call center dedicated 24/7 for accidents like this. But what we are doing is that along with the coordinates of the person under accident, it will be sent to the emergency contact that the driver wants to be known, say family members, friends, whoever it is. The SMS along with the coordinates will be sent to them through our system. That is how the product is different, along with the cost effectiveness that our product holds, which is basically under 10,000 rupees compared to the 14,000 rupees that every luxury brand owner is paying and renewing it every year. Moving on, the product awareness. So again, to prove this statistically, from the survey that we took, already 80% out of the 36 know what a SaaS system is, which is more than enough to establish our product in the market because they very well know what SaaS stands for and the help of it. So next is that our product is first of all very simple and the components are easily available in the market. So of course it can be easily converted into a venture without any government licensing or any laws that we have to adhere to because it's just an innovation, small idea without violating any of the laws around. So there's that. Under the same umbrella of product awareness, there's something called how many hoops we have to jump over in order to get to the customer. And that is, first we have to do the product idea, next is we have to assemble it, and next is we have to take it to the distributor and then it will reach the customer. Distributor is some topic that I'll talk in a while. First, about the product awareness and the hoops that we have to get out to is that our idea, which is a solid SaaS system. Next is assembly, which will consist of the assembling and which is available in the technical video. Next is the distributor. So now moving on to the product distributors, we're planning on empaneling ourselves with the known brands in the market such as Maruti, say Honda, Hyundai. So if we go to them with our product and empanel ourselves, we can give them our product and they can install it in the car when they do it when they go for the delivery. So that's our idea. So in order to give the distributor a small pay as commission, we're planning 500 rupees per unit, which is again negotiable according to the distributor that we are approaching. So that is all about business video. Thank you.